Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch from T-Mobile to Verizon, and it's actually really easy and simple. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to check compatibility. So you need to make sure that your phone and number are compatible with Verizon, and you can usually unlock your phone, okay, but you may need to pay any outstanding balance. So you need to next gather some information. You'll need your current active number, your old service provider's account number, okay, your most recent bill if you are starting the process in person, and a security code such as the mobile, the number transfer pin or security pin, account pin, or a password basically, and another number where you can be reached during the transfer process, okay? And you can transfer the number, so you can activate a new line with Verizon and transfer your number. You can visit the Verizon store, okay? You visit the bring your own device, right? Go do that. You can do that, and you can do that online as well. You can contact Verizon. They have a mobile number and email. You can contact them there as well. What you can also do is you can check, of course, if your phone is uh, unlocked. You can look for its IMEI number. So if you have a phone with a removable battery, the IMEI number is usually listed on a sticker under the battery. And if the IMEI number isn't blocked or blacklisted, then the number is unlocked and it is ready to be moved to another carrier. You can come here to their page, of course, and also chat with a live agent. And truly that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide helped you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.